So hard buy indicator. First, green outline white candle. So this is what it looks like, a green outline white candle formation after a red outline white candle. So first time you see a green outline white candle after a red outline white candle, it's gonna be a hard buy. Let me show you what happened today with EKSO stock. And there you can see a bunch of white candles, right? So the first white candle is a red outline white candle, and the second one is also a red outline white candle. So the third one, you can see there is a green outline, right? So according to the PDF, first green outline white candle formation after a red outline white candle. So this is a perfect opportunity to buy this stock, right?